Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload videos, you get the notification first. So students, let us do question number 4 from exercise 4.4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Now you see, it is given the sum of their ages is 20 and 4 years ago. Suppose the age of first friend be x, then 4 years ago will be 1 x minus 4, and if it is given that 4 years from now, from 4 years hence, at that time we should add 4, that means x plus 4. Okay, and if it is 4 years ago, that means x minus 4. So let us proceed this one. So we have to write this. Let the age of one friend be x years and the age of other friends be 20 minus x years. Why 20 minus x? See, if you add this 2, you will get again what? 20, since given that sum is 20. So x plus 20 minus x will be 20. Clear? Now after that, it is given 4 years from now. 4 years ago. 4 years ago, it will be the age of first friend. The age of first friend is equal to x minus 4 years, and the age of second friend is equal to, see, 20 minus x minus 4. So it will be 20 minus x minus 4 years. That means 16 minus x years. Then given that the product of their ages will be equal to 48. 4 years ago, their product of their ages will be equal to 48. Therefore, the equation in this way we will make x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. We will solve this, and if the roots are unreal, then we will say that the situation is not possible, and if the roots we will get as real, that means the situation is possible. Clear? So let us solve this. Now students, let us solve this. Expand it, what you will get? This one 16x, then minus x square, then minus 64, and then plus 4x, and then bring this minus 48 this side on left hand side, which is minus 48 equal to 0. Clear? Now you see 16 and this one is 4. So you will get 20x minus x square, and this one 64 plus 48 will be minus 112 equal to 0. Clear? Then change the sign, minus 20x plus 112. When you will change the sign, you have to change all. This one you see minus plus, then plus minus, and this one minus plus. Clear? Now we will see whether the roots are real or unreal. Clear? A will be equal to, if you compare, a will be equal to what? A will be equal to 1, B equal to minus 20, and C equal to 112. So b square minus 4ac, you will get it as minus 20 whole square, 4 into 1 into 112. That means this one minus into minus is plus. So 20 square will be what? 400 minus, and this one 844. That means minus 48, which is less than 0. Therefore, the roots are unreal. So you write down no real roots are possible. No real roots are possible. So at last you write down, so this situation is not possible. is not possible in this way. Clear? No real roots are possible, so this is not possible. Done. So in the next video I will do question number 5. Thank you.